Hi, welcome back. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency wallets. So, if we talk about cryptocurrency wallets, and if you have seen any cryptocurrency wallet, if you haven't, let me show you cryptocurrency wallet. I have this MetaMask wallet. So, in this MetaMask wallet, what you will be seeing is that MetaMask wallet is actually showing me the total amount of cryptocurrency that I have in my wallet, means in my account actually. Now, this is actually Rinkibi. This is actually test network. Actually, it is a. These are just generally these are actually fake. Okay, so just do not confuse it with real ethers and try to hack my account or something. These are fake ethers actually. These are on test network, and we will talk about these technical details. What are test networks? What are fake ethers in great detail in our upcoming courses. But this is not the part of this particular course. Okay. So in this, if you will see that I have this amount of balance in my wallet, so this arises a question, right? That whether cryptocurrency wallets are actually storing our balance, right? Because it is showing our balance. So it might be that whenever we are getting some amount of cryptocurrency, it is getting stored on this wallet. But this is the case or not, we are going to answer this in this video. Okay. And this will be a very useful video for you to just watch this video full. Okay. So currently you can see that I have four blocks here. Okay. And in all these four blocks, we have certain transactions. So if you remember from our coffee shop UTXO video, if you do not just see this screenshot I am attaching here. So here you can see that I have all these transactions done to me, and all these transactions I'm showing on this block number one. So I'm assuming that all these transactions that are done to me are actually the part of this block number one. This is just an assumption, okay, so that I can explain you this concept about cryptocurrency wallets. So this is just an assumption. This another set of transaction, the transaction that I am doing to the coffee shop. I am assuming that these are the part of this block number two. Okay. In the same way, and yes, one more thing, that this transaction that you're seeing, right, LS to me, this transaction is actually getting used up. Why? Because I'm using this zero point 0.7 Bitcoin from Alice and I'm giving it to the coffee shop and zero point 0.2 back to me. And these are the part of this block number two. So I'm completely using up this Alice to me transaction, right? Now, in the same way, if you will remember from our noodle shop UTXO example, in that case, if you will see, I have some more amount of transaction done to be. And let us assume that, okay, my friends are a little bit generous and they are doing some more kind of transaction. They are sending me some more Bitcoin to my wallet. Okay, just an example. And all these transactions are part of block number three. And the transaction that I am doing to the noodle shop is a part of this block number four. Okay. Now in this also, if you will see this Arjun to me, Raj to me, Alice to me, all these three transactions are getting used up so that I can pay to this noodle shop, right? And I have shown this here also. Now let us discuss about those transactions that we are not spending. So if you will see this transaction which is done to me by Bob, we are not using this transaction. We are not using this transaction which is done to me from me only when I was giving the change. And if you will see this Arjun to me transaction, Raj to me transaction, Bob to me transaction, all these transactions are those transactions which are done to me, means I was the receiver and I haven't used up these transactions. While if you will see these green transactions that you can see here, green circles, all these transactions are those transactions which are actually used up transactions, means they do not definitely they belong to the blockchain, but we do not care about it, right? Because now we have used all these transactions. And the remaining transaction that I'm showing with the help of an arrow, not actually arrow, because like this transaction, actually what I'm trying to say, like this transaction where I'm doing a transaction to this noodle shop. So this transaction is a transaction where I am the sender, I'm not the receiver, right? So I am the sender here. In the case of this also, me to coffee shop, I am the sender. So this transaction is also I'm not highlighting with yellow because I am the sender. I am detecting some balance from my account to pay this coffee shop, to pay this noodle shop, right? Now, let us see how actually cryptocurrency wallets work. Whether, like, since we have this question, right, cryptocurrency wallets are storing our cryptocurrency or not. Now, with the help of this example, it will be very clear that cryptocurrency wallets are not actually storing our cryptocurrencies. So, what cryptocurrency wallets are actually doing is they are keeping track of all these yellow UTXOs, means those UTXOs which we haven't spent, like this green one, and those UTXOs in which we are the receiver, because once we are receiving something, that will be the part of our balance, right? So cryptocurrency wallets are just keeping the track of all these UTXOs by talking to the blockchain that you can see here, right? They talk to these blockchain, the different blocks of the blockchain. And from that only, they are able to keep the track of all the unspent transactions that are done to me. And then what they do, they up the value of all these transactions. And by that, they are able to determine the total amount of balance that I am having on my account, in my account. So they are not actually storing our cryptocurrency. They are just keeping the track, means they are just keeping the track on these blockchain, the different blocks of the blockchains. And by that, they are able to calculate the total amount of balance. So they are just displaying the total amount of balance. They do not have our cryptocurrencies in any way. They are not in a position to do anything with our cryptocurrencies in any way until or unless it is a centralized wallet. So we have different kind of wallets, we have different kind of exchange, like we have centralized exchanges as well, we have decentralized exchanges. So the wallet that I have shown you, right, the MetaMask wallet is actually a decentralized wallet. So MetaMask wallet is not storing our cryptocurrencies, or MetaMask wallet is not in a position to manage our cryptocurrencies, because the total control of our cryptocurrencies is in our hand only. MetaMask cannot do anything in that case. Okay. So by this, remember that wallets, if a wallet is a decentralized wallet, they do not keep track of our cryptocurrencies. But definitely, if you are using a centralized exchange or a centralized wallet, chances are high that they are actually storing all your cryptocurrencies and they are displaying the result to you on your wallets. Okay. So be aware about this also. Whenever you are trying to use any cryptocurrency, try to go for a decentralized exchange, try to go for a decentralized wallet, but definitely see whether it is safe or not. Okay, just do not blindly go to any decentralized exchange or wallet. The point is that, remember this thing, that I do not want to go into the detail of the trading and all those things. The point I want to make clear is that decentralized exchanges, decentralized wallets are able to keep track of your cryptocurrencies by this method, by keeping the track of the different transactions that are happening on the blocks, and then they are fetching those results and showing you to you in the wallet so that you can see easily on the UI part of the wallet. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you want to talk to me, then please join me at CodeEater21 Instagram ID. And if you want to join our blockchain developer community, which is currently having 2000 plus members, you can join that. Link is given in the description of this video. And if you have any doubts, any kind of doubts, comment below the video and I'm going to answer those comments. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Meet you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.